How to make money using your mobile phone, part 2. Make deliveries for Amazon or Uber Eats. Take advantage of the growing delivery trend and sign up for a service like Instacart, Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. You get paid per delivery. In most cases, you can even earn tips. A car isn't always required. Postmates and in some cities DoorDash lets you use a bike or scooter to make deliveries. However, a background check is almost always part of the deal. Learn more about how to get started with Amazon Flex, Uber Eats, and Instacart. Total time depends on your market demand. Setup takes about a week. How easy to start? Easy if you have dependable transportation. Age threshold 21 plus. How fast you get paid varies by vendor. Things you need to know the background check can take a few days and timing can vary. Payments from these services can vary too, but are generally issued weekly or quicker. Requirement: you need a way to deliver items. It could be a car, scooter, or bike, depending on the service. A smartphone is necessary to accept and process jobs. Each delivery service has a minimum age requirement, but it varies by service. Find work as a house sitter. If you're willing to watch someone's home and maybe feed the pets, water the plants, and take out the garbage, become a house sitter. Tap your personal network for referrals or try out housesitter.com, which connects homeowners with house sitters. People often make $25 to $45 a day according to the company's website. Total time depends on your market demand. Set up minutes or more if you try to drum up business by referrals. How easy to start? They can depend on the need in your area. Age threshold varies by site. How fast you get paid at the end of the gig. Things you need to know. You can create a profile on House Sitter in a matter of minutes, though it may take time to secure your first house sitting gig. You typically get paid by the homeowner when you complete your gig. Requirements: most sites have age requirements. Sign up to be a mystery shopper. Business often Businesses often want to know how they are performing from a customer's perspective. Sign up to be their eyes and ears. You can apply online via sites like IntelliShop, Bestmark, and Sinclair Customer Metrics. Just beware of scams and do thorough research before signing in. Total time varies by site. Setup: applying takes little time, but approval can take a while. How easy to start? Relatively easy if you have required transportation and tech. Age threshold may vary by site, but typically 18 plus. How fast you get paid varies by company. Things you need to know: the application process is typically quick, but then it's in the company's hand. It can take days or more to access your application depending on demand. Payout timing varies by company. Bestmark, for example, issues payouts monthly. Requirements: most mystery shopping services have an age requirement. You have to be at least 18 years to shop for Bestmark. Depending on the service, you may need reliable transportation and internet access. Put your drone to work. The market for drones is expanding. Companies hire out work like aerial inspection, photography, and land mapping. So if you're already a drone enthusiast, why not make extra money with your aircraft? You need to pass a test to become a drone pilot and register your drone with the Federal Aviation Administration. Then you can apply for flying gigs, learn how to make money with drones. Total time depends on demand. Setup: you need to make time to pass a test and then find clients. How easy to start? If you already have a drone, you're likely qualified. Age threshold 16 plus. How fast you get paid varies by company. Since you need to know: give yourself more than a month to study, schedule and pass a written test. You also need to find clients. Payments: you depend on your clients. Requirements: you need a drone. To do this legitimately, you need a certificate that involves passing an aeronautical knowledge test. A background check is also needed. The internet is full of opportunities to make money online or from home, but many are questionable, if not outright scams. Be wary of any opportunities that ask you for fees upfront and wants you to pay for certification or request your social security number or any financial information such as your credit card number. Still ensure if an opportunity is legit. Look for community forums like those on Reddit for unfiltered reviews and complaints. Also check if the company has a Better Business Bureau profile. The BBB assigns ratings based on reported complaints, business transparency, and other factors. Monitor your money during trying times. If you're facing financial anxiety, NerdWallet can find ways to save. Join for free. Frequently asked questions. How can I earn money online easily? Side jobs such as testing websites, taking surveys, and selling your used stuff online take minimal time to set up and have few requirements. You can also earn passive income through affiliate marketing or renting out your vehicle. How can I make money fast at home? Some of the fastest ways to make money from home include selling used clothes and electronics, babysitting and renting out a room on a vacation rental site. How can I make money right now? It's tough to find jobs that pay you on the spot. You can check local or online job listings for paying gigs like moving couches or painting a fence for someone in your area. If you need money immediately, consider other ways to get fast cash. For example, if you have any jewelry, instruments, or new electronics, you can get a pawn shop loan, which averages $150. Your credit won't be a barrier to getting the loan. And if you can't pay it back within the long term, the pawn shop will sell your item, but your credit score won't take a hit. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time we post. How easy to start? How to make money using your mobile phone?